day guys and welcome back to my channel guys. Ayan, kumusta kayo? Especially sa aking mga solid subscriber dyan na si Rosana Villahermosa, Boss Albert Sutil and Pain Expert. Shout out sa inyo, kumusta na kayo? At pasensya na kayo at medyo matagal akong hindi nakapag-upload tungkol sa ating spear fishing activities guys, dahil malabo talaga yung dagat dito sa secure spot guys, habagat kasi. Kaya for the meantime, gala muna tayo, gala episode. Ayan, papunta tayo sa mga tourist spot here in Secure guys. So ngayon, papunta tayo sa Lagaan Falls, which is located at Lassie Secure guys. Medyo malayo din to, pero maganda yung mga tanawin dito guys. Parang presko talaga sa mata guys. Ayan, nature trip. So ito, bumabiyahe pa kami papunta sa spot. So ito guys, after a few minutes guys, and we arrive at the spot guys. Dito na, may entrance fee na 50 pesos. So ito, adventure na guys, lakad-lakad na naman guys. Ito, nasa bandang ilalim yung falls guys. Kaya ito, may tour guide tayo. Shout out sa inyo, boss Uboy Herbert. Ayan. Ito, medyo malayo-layo rin yung lalakarin natin papunta sa baba guys, para makapunta sa Lagaan Falls. So ito, adventurous. Ayan, pinag-cut ko na yung mga videos guys para mas madali tayong makababa sa ilalim. Dito pala guys ay sobrang presko ng hangin guys. And as we can observe, maraming mga puno guys, napakaganda tingnan guys, masarap sa mata talaga. And moments after guys, maririnig na natin yung mga sigaw ng mga turista guys, at ramdam mo talaga na enjoy sila sa trip nila din. And ito, we are already at the spot, Lagaan Falls. And so ayan guys, enjoy watching with our activity guys, pictorial activities, swimming or anything guys. Ayan guys, so sobrang ganda talaga ng ambience ng environment, nakaka-relax at nakakatanggal stress. Dito pala sa lugar na to guys ay may swing, and pwede kang makapag-video sa kanilang human drone guys. Ito, isa yung na tourist guide at kumukuha siya ng mga video sa kanyang tinotour guide sa ilalim guys. Ayan, naliligo yung mga kanyang bisita. And syempre guys, pwede kang mag-swing dito. Pwede mo i-try yung kanilang swing at tumalon at sumigaw. Yan, sinubukan ng mga turista na tumalon guys. They are trying to conquer their fears. Ayan. Wow! Back! Uy, apa dyan na yan? At ito guys, may nag-tricks pa. Ayan. Nag-swing, tumalon at bumaliktad guys. At syempre, hindi tayo magpapahuli sa ganyang mga diskarte. Susubukan din natin. Eto na guys, sinubukan ko pero parang iba yung naging resulta guys. Epic fail. Tricks gone wrong guys. Ayan, Diyos mio, marimar talaga. Anong tricks yun, Jerome? Di mo na picture.
Oo, video din na.
Video na. Tara. So ayan guys, pagkagat ng alas 4 ng hapon. Ayan. Pauwi na. Uuwi na kami guys. Ito. Aakyat na naman tayo.
Bailando contigo, let's go. Know your body's getting rhythm, I can't ignore. When you move like that, I'm wanting more. The way you spin, you got me hypnotized. One look at you, I'm lost in paradise. Every step you take, I follow. You're the sun and I'm the shadow. The way we're moving feels so right. Let's keep dancing through the night. Bailando contigo, feeling the heat. You're lighting my fire, moving to the beat. Every touch, every glance, it's all I need. Bailando contigo, set me free. Closer, baby, I don't wanna waste a second. Your vibes are language and I'm learning every lesson. Your heartbeat's matching the drum of a song. Feels like forever when you're in my arms. Oh, every step you take, I follow. You're the sun and I'm the shadow. The way we're moving feels so right. Let's keep dancing through the night. Bailando
eto guys, nakaakyat na tayo and papauwi na tayo at maraming salamat pala sa mga tourist guide dito sa Lagaan Falls, mga office staff nila, sobrang bait and then it's very accommodating pa. Ayan, shout out sa inyo lahat dyan, ingat kayo palagi, God bless, and that's all for this episode guys. Maraming salamat sa ating mga taga-suporta dyan. Ayan, for the meantime, gala episode. Since malabo yung dagat. Thank you so much for watching. And see you next episode guys. Ingat palagi. Shash!
Go, go set me free.
Boss.